Hello everyone. Look at this. Look who's making an appearance. The sun. Seems like it's been forever. Oh my. So it's cold. Yeah, and look, you can see the crust. It's even, yeah, like right here. There's a thin layer. So it is, well, it was -9 Celsius, which is what? I think it's 16 Fahrenheit, something like that. So, yeah, it's really cold, but nice and sunny. I will take that sunlight. And look at this. The water's still flowing, guys. It's flowing. But it's cold. Really cold. It's crazy. Like, look at the...
That's pretty cool, eh?
Yeah. Pretty cool. And let's see, I can't even like break through. I'm stepping on the water and nothing's happening. Oh geez. I just noticed something. The water's just, hold on. So you can we see the water here? Oh yeah, but look, it's frozen there. Oof. Oh shoot. Look, it has been leaking. Shoot. Not good. All right, look at that. But like, it doesn't look like it's been leaking much. But I can see it kind of, look at that. Ooh, I don't like that at all. Luckily, I've kept, oh, like that's super thick. Look at that. Man. Yeah, did you just see that? It just like was on top. I don't even know what to do here. I don't want to turn it off because, but it's like I can see it. Just yes, did you just see that? Yeah. Woo! Sorry. It's doing what I don't want it to do. So essentially what could in theory happen, all the water just leaks out. Which I don't think it's gonna happen, but it might just crust over. But you can see it's actually all like from here. You can see the wet spot like right where my finger is. Or it's not wet, it's ice. It's that cold. But man, is it not nice to see the sun? So we booked a cottage for the summer. May as well talk about the summer because that's what I'm looking forward to. I love winter, but I love the summer as well. The kids were sledding though, and they were doing that yesterday. Yeah, we're having a blast. I bought them these little snowboards there, just ones that they can. It's got a string and they just stand on and they just go down. But yeah, it is cold. But guys, before I forget, subscribe and like the video. You know what I think I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna break some of that ice. I'll be back. All right, here we go. All right, let's give it a shot. Oh, she's thick. All right, I'm gonna pause this and we're gonna do a bit of work here. Okay. Look at the difference. I just cleared out where all the wood or rock is. So yeah, there's a good gap coming out now. Man, there's ice flying everywhere. Look, there's a chunk right there. Right there. Whew. But it's supposed to be cold next few days, I heard. But, you know, just keep her going. Look at our guy out there. Woo, he's still going. Yeah. But yeah, please guys, like and subscribe. Sorry, I got a bit of something in my mouth. There's a lot of ice flying, but you know, it's done. Anyhow, I will leave you guys here, and here's to warmer days. Yeah, there he goes. Have yourself a wonderful day, and if it's sunny and warm, please enjoy for me. Have a good one.